everybody? It's me, BB, and today I'm finally gonna give you a chance to show you my brand new extreme makeover room. This room is pretty cool, I gotta say. This is where I like to film all of the TCG openings and video game videos for here on this channel. And to start things off, we're actually gonna pan over to the side here. And once you come into my room, you'll automatically see this wall. And let me close my door real quick. And here, you'll be able to see some of my accomplishments. We have the story that my local newspaper ran about me many years ago. We have the picture of me with the weirdest smile ever created. And we have my Curry College diploma, so shout out to all my friends from Curry. And right over here is the start of one of the coolest parts of my room. That's the Ninja Turtles wall sticker from their 2007 CGI animated film, which is pretty awesome in my opinion. I'm a huge turtle. So this is a wicked neato bed. So we have the Ninja Turtles quilt cover. I got this from a site called Kit Cashier. All sorts of different and cool pictures, including one featuring the latest Ninja Turtle, Jenica. And the neat thing is, it's adjustable. This is a power base. Just like that, and we can also do the foot too. And I got the power base and the mattress from Jordan's Furniture, which is a great furniture store here in New England. I did also get a headboard for the bed. It's not going to come until November though. So this is the life, folks. So welcome to my museum of celebrity autographs. And other cool celebrity things too. So this is the autograph from Jodie Benson, the original voice of Ariel from Disney's The Little Mermaid. This is Charles Martinet, the original voice of Mario and Luigi from the Super Mario series. Also apologies to Mr. Martinet and Nintendo for using that voice clip in a video that I did many years ago. And of course we have an original drawing of the turtles by one of the best turtle artists out there, Steve Levine. And that's an animated cell from the 1987 Ninja Turtle series. This one is the Shredder. And this shelving unit has lots of cool stuff on it. We start here in the top shelf. As you can see, the Cardcaptor Sakura figure from one of our DB Arcade episodes. Long time ago. There's the Detective Pikachu plush from our Detective Kit opening, and that David sign, my brother got that for me during one of his trips to Hawaii. And here's my high school diploma. Right behind Mikey here was the Voltron set that was featured in our DB Lego series. Got 2 new episodes of the DB Lego series, and I'm going to be recording hopefully pretty soon, so definitely stay tuned for those. And we got more Mario and the King of Rock in Bez form. And that's another set that we're going to be featuring on DB Lego soon. Lego Minions: The Rise of Gru. We have Kevin and Bob, and you can change Kevin into Stuart, thanks to this set too. There's a football, an autographed football too. I actually got a chance to interview that player. That was Mr. Steve Nelson, a legendary New England Patriot. And this sweet thing is my TCL Roku TV. This is what I'm going to be looking up at when we do the video game videos. This was an award that I got during my senior year in high school, thanks to my hard work, especially with the music. I was a part of the high school band. It was named after a friend of mine who was also part of the school band when he sadly passed away due to a heart attack a few years before the year 2000. So I keep this in honor of both the hard work and in this memory too. And right behind my Batman thing here we have the Nintendo Switch. Yes folks, we're going to be playing some of the newly announced games. We got the Super Mario 3D All-Stars coming out. I did pre-order that game. We're going to do a playthrough of that. Starting with Super Mario 64, one of my personal favorite Nintendo 64 games. That and GoldenEye are a really great game. Then we're going to cover Sunshine, then we'll do Galaxy, and then Galaxy 2, which I have the Wii copy. I'll be able to play that for you through the Wii U. So this floor is actually Wildwood floor. It has a 15-year warranty, and let me tell you, this Bruins mug, Bruins rug, why do they call it a mug? This is one sweet rug. We got the rug at the Home Depot, and we got the flooring at a Lowe's location. This right here is me with Jason David Frank, the original Green Ranger and later White Ranger for the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. And here is a signature from Elizabeth Henstridge, who played Agent Gemma Simmons in Marvel's Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., which I know just concluded the series just recently. That was a great show, too. And down below here, we have the high styling, profiling, Nature Boy Ric Flair. Woo! And, great Scott, that's Doc Brown, aka Christopher Lloyd. And we got more WWE goodness over here. That's Jerry the King Lawler, Hall of Famer and former Raw color commentator. And we have the first ever Royal Rumble winner, Hacksaw Jim Duggan. And the man that brought Robin to the big time on the small screen, Burt Ward, from 1966 Batman. And it's a pretty cool Elvis Presley light switch. So this is actually a Marv Wolfman signed Teen Titans annual cover print. He helped to co-create some of the Titans, including Cyborg, Raven, Starfire, and their nemesis Deathstroke, aka Slade. And we also got to meet a really, really good cover artist named Bishop. He's the one that made this, the Ninja Turtles Ghostbusters crossover cover. Bustin' makes me feel good. And of course, we have the Frosty Chino from Wendy's. And also these are really nice curtains. They're room darkening curtains, which helps the room get a little bit darker. And that's good for me because I am not a big fan of thunderstorms at all. Especially not the thunder, but this will help keep the lightning out of the room. We think we got these at Bed Bath and Beyond. And this is what it looks like when the curtains are closed. I hope you enjoyed this quick little room tour video. If you did, then please leave me a like. And you can also leave a comment too, telling me which part of the room was your very favorite. So I'm DP, and I'll catch y'all next time. See you later!